We are at the Italian Tech in India event hosted by Embassy of Italy in India, New Delhi, organized by the Indo-Italian Chamber of Commerce. And here we are having a visitor, Mr. Nitesh Satija. He heads the R&D of Makino Auto Industries. So, how you found this event organized by the Indo-Italian Chamber of Commerce?
So actually, there was a mail to our management from this organization, and there was a recommendation from our top management that you must visit this show, and it is going to be a great show. So that's how we visited here.
So you found actually different technologies. There are auto component manufacturers are there, and then testing is there, and then you have seen wide range of products displayed here. So
Yeah, actually, it is a quite small show, but very interesting show, and I could find companies like Brembo, Piaggio, BS, and Bonfiglioi. I think they are technology companies, and Italy technologies I am a fan of actually, and I know something about Italy that they are land of machineries. You know about Ferraris, Lamborghini, and Fiat, and I know something that they are great machinery manufacturer. And my friend works in tile industry, and he used to say that if you want to make a tile, you go to Italy and you can talk to them to set up a great plant here in India. They give you a turnkey solution to make a lot of these products. So I believe machinery wise, Italians are very good.
very nice. And when we talk about Makino Auto Industries, so what are the kind of business you are in? How you empower the manufacturing?
So basically, Makino is a OEM supplier of clutches and brakes for two-wheeler industry. Say India is a great market for two-wheelers, and there are in clutches there is a technology. So Makino has a dedicated R&D setup to develop and to manufacture this technology for Indian two-wheeler industry. We supply it to almost all OEM makers in India.
Do you export also?
We export on a aftermarket product, but as a OEM, we are dedicated to Indian OEMs.
Okay.
And I think in few years we are looking to export also.
And one thing we are seeing is that with Prime Minister Modi's Make in India, Indian companies are now getting more acceptance globally.
Yeah.
And I believe these kind of collaborations with India and Italy or some advanced engineering nations can help our companies to...
Yes, definitely actually. And in the past few years, we have got some opportunity to develop some clutches which they are originally buying from other countries like China. So there are nobody here who are manufacturing that clutch, and our customer requested us to develop that clutch. And I guess 5 years ago we have developed and we have productionized that product, and now it is in production. So that Make in India concept, I think it is a good concept, and companies like us or companies who want to invest and who want to do something great can take that opportunity.
Nandinji, I found it very interesting talking to you, and I hope that you also talk to people like Indo-Italian Chamber of Commerce and find out what kind of synergies Makino can bring, maybe in some collaborations with some companies.
Actually, I am doing that.
So that means your visit is very fruitful for you, for the people who are exhibiting here. And thank you very much for sharing your time with Machine.
Thank you so much. Thank you.